What's up, everybody? Todd here with your STB Gorilla Gang Daily's Disruption, coming to you Monday. It's a good day today. We got a little sleep, got the bike in 170 days in a row, and then we had a heavy squat day, some speed bench and some deadlift, and then some crawls, carries, core, and swings. So just like most of our Monday, Wednesday, Fridays, we're gonna squat, bench, and deadlift. We're gonna do crawls, carries, cores, and swing. So it was a good day, and even after a 12-hour shift overnight, and then getting up and getting it in. So got to go back and do it again tonight, and excited. It's been a lot of fun. So today we're going to talk about you're either preparing or repairing. One will set tomorrow up for success, and the other one will, only probably guarantee failure today. So if you're constantly repairing, at best you can only try and fix today by something you allowed to happen yesterday. So if you're constantly trying to repair stuff and not preparing, you're setting yourself up for failure. So if you want to be successful at anything, you have to prepare, right? So plan, do, course correct, repeat again and again and again until you reach your ultimate goal, right? We're all going to, have failures inside of that. I'm not saying you're going to be super successful by doing that instantly. Like, you plan, you do, you realize what you did. It either worked or didn't. If it didn't, you course correct and you try again. So that's really, what it's all about inside of the STB Gorilla Gang Program is, we live by a code. Do the work, win the day, be relentless, right? So those three things we live by inside of the STB Gorilla Gang, and we just are ruthlessly committed to, doing the work, winning the day, and then just being relentless at it. And we are always course correcting every week. We dive deep and course correct what went right for the week, what went wrong, and how do we course correct that and plan and prepare for the next week, right? So if you're struggling with how to prepare and that kind of stuff, or just want to be held accountable at a higher level, reach out, set up a conversation with me. I included a link in here so you can have a free 30-minute consultation with me. Click the link, schedule that. Let's talk. Let's see if you're a good fit for the program. If you want to change your body and your life, there's really, you need to take action now, right? So if you're just waiting on it, thinking about it, take the action, do it now, do the work, win the day, be relentless. That's what I got for you today. Much love. Peace out. Later.